David is asking, would you recommend wearing a kilt while racing or just riding a motorcycle?
We know plenty of people who do. Riding, I can't say about racing. I think the guys who ride them, it's more usually like a casual riding. You know, like we're talking like big Harleys and stuff, or like clubs that are doing a parade kind of a thing, like some of the POW things down in Washington, stuff like that. You know, but
Rolling Thunder.
Yeah, Rolling Thunder. Thank you. I think a lot of the time it's just a matter of tucking properly, so that you don't have to worry about fly up. That's what I know about it as an outsider.
The thing that scares me, literally would scare me about wearing a kilt on either a bike or motorcycle, like, you know, bicycle or motorcycle, is having that much fabric flowing down behind me of the pleats and the propensity for it to get sucked into the wheel and then get caught in the wheel.
Or in machinery.
We had one guy who came in, asked us to repair his kilt. Mac, do you remember this? He came in, he came up to us at Celtic Classic, and his kilt got sucked into his motorcycle, and it literally ripped about 6 inches off the bottom of his kilt, and he laid his bike down and everything. So it was one of those, like, yeah, I know a lot of guys do it. I can't see that it's a good idea.
Yeah, I think, again, like if you're just cruising or something, maybe it'd be okay. But high speeds,
cruising or not, like anything over 2 miles an hour with fabric flowing behind you that close to a wheel whipping around.
Maybe it really comes down to tucking effectively if you're going to try it.
To me, it would come down to not wearing a kilt on a bike, packing it in the saddlebag, and then putting it on when I get there.
Yeah, let's put it this way. If you're going to try it, don't use a kilt you care about. But, you know, I think you're probably right.
Yeah.
I like to give people a chance to...
They can do it all they want. I don't want them to die.
Right.
Please. Public service announcement for today. Don't die.
Yeah.
We just had a comment. Just think of the road rash.
Well, that's the other thing. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
No, it's...
Okay.
To me, it's not worth the risk.
Mm-hmm.
It's, you know, gee, I could wreck my bike, wreck my kilt, and have, you know, road rash where I don't want road rash. Yeah. Is there really a good place to get road rash?
There isn't,
no.
but
there's less good places, yes.
Yeah. Moving on.
Yes.